Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is K-Step02, and if you are new here, you are most welcome. Guys, today I'll be showing you how I bleach my closure into perfection, and if it's something that you are interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So to bleach my closure, I'm using my Blonde Me up to 9 level of lift, and the developer I'm using, and this one is 30 volume developer. And I'll also be using my Shimmer Light shampoo, blonde and silver. So for conditioner, I'm using my Renew plus Organ Oil of Morocco. After I use my Shimmer Light shampoo, blonde and silver, so be using my Ever Strengthening plus Brasilia Keratin Smooth shampoo. Then here I also have my spray water, then my mixing bowl. We also have glove. This one is very important. Then I also have my folio paper. I also have knife here. This is a table knife. This is what I'll be using to distribute the product on the closure, on the lace closure. And also I have a small comb here. So I'm just spraying this water to the lace and use my small comb to comb the hair back. We are doing this basically, we want to prevent the baby hair from lifting. So I'm just gonna set it aside. For the powder, I just need 1 scoop, just to take a little bit like so, then pour it into our mixing bowl. I'm just gonna take a little bit out for it. I think it's just too much. So guys, if I need more, I'll go ahead and add more, but I think this one should be enough. Guys, make sure that the consistency of this is thick. And now I still need more of this developer, so I'm just going to add tiny bit, just like so. Now guys, I'm taking my table knife. Because this lace is HD lace, you want to make sure that you are not pressing this product too much on your lace. I'm using 30 developer. I'll be washing this closure time to time to see if it's already developed or not. So it's better to do so just to be on the safe side. And you want to start from the back, just like we do to our normal natural hair. And don't press too hard while doing this part. Just go to set this aside, and I'll come back after 10 minutes to check it if it's already lifted enough, and then wash it out. So I'm just going to let this conditioner sit for about 5 minutes before I wash it out. This is the final result of my closure. I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Just take a minute to check this closure out. What lace? See how it just blend into my skin. Want to see how I make my wig? Please subscribe, like, share this video, because my next video is going to be on this particular closure, how I sew it into a wig. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely gonna see you in my next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, it's important. So bye, I will see you in my next one.